मंगलम.
नमस्कार. आज आमगेल मठाचे सार्धपंचशतमानोत्सवाक जॉईन जाता आसाची श्री उल्हास कामत माम. उल्हास कामत माम सगळे समाज बांधवा कडच्यान हांव तुमकां हार्दिक स्वागत करता. कामत माम, ज्योती लॅब्स तसले एक सक्सेसफुल ऑर्गनायझेशन तुम्ही बांधले. हाचे फाटी वॉट डू यू थिंक, वॉट व्हॅल्यूज ऑर प्रिन्सिपल्स फ्रॉम अवर कल्चर कॉन्ट्रिब्युटेड मोस्ट टू युअर जर्नी?
आज हांगा येताची फुडले दीस हांगा पळयतना so much of history, so much of culture, so much of value system आसा आनी हांगा 550 इयर्साचे आमी हांगा सेलिब्रेशन करतना कितले जनांक तितले 550 इयर्सान तो हे कल्चर आमगेले वॅल्यू सिस्टम तांणी कॅरी फॉर्वर्ड केला. आमगेले कंपनीन तो आतां 40 इयर्स जाले. आमी 40 इयर्साचे आमगे वॅल्यू सिस्टम वन फॉर ऑल फॉर वन म्हणके आनी पुराय काम दिवका आनी बायलमेन्शन मस्त काम दिवका. आमगेले फॅक्ट्रीसान पुरा बायलमेन्शनाक काम करचे 90%. आनी हळ्ळेचे चेडवां पुरा आमी सेल्सान तो काण घेता ती तांकां पुरा आमी एनकरेज करता ती. त्यात एक वॅल्यू सिस्टम आमगेले कंपनीची कशी गेला की तशी पळयले रे आयचे स्वाम्यान उलयलेले तांगेले कसं तांणी आजी पुराणाक तांगेले संभाशण कसं केलें तांणी. आनी आजी पलिमार मठाचे स्वामी आयिल्लीं ती तांगेले शिश्य आयिल्लीं ती त्या पुरो आयकतना आमकां कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड हातूंत हे पळयतना हे डिफरंट म्हणून दिसता. बट एक पॉझिटीव एनर्जी कितली आस की हांगा कितले सांगले रे उणेची पर्तगाळी मठाचें एक लोकेशन जावं ना हांगाचें एक वातावरण जावं एक पॉझिटीव एनर्जी आमी कसं म्हणटा ती इट्स एन अमेझींग एक्सपिरियन्स. म्हाका हांगा येवन भारी खुशी जाली म्हाका. आनी
एनवायरमेंट तुम्ही पळयले आता वळदना, वॉट हॅज बीन एक्सपिरियन्स, वॉट डज दिस स्पिरिच्युअल लेगेसी मीन टू यू पर्सनली?
the purpose of living, purpose of working, purpose of earning, purpose of giving back to the society त्या पुरांक येतना मस्त रियलायज जाता. आमकां कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्डान तो आमकां एक सक्सेस म्हळ्यार मोस्ट ऑफ इट इन मनी टर्म्स. बट हांगा आमकां सक्सेस म्हळ्यार आमी कसं कोर न्हू नेक्स्ट जनरेशनाक नेक्स्ट पिळगेक आमी कसं आमी दिवयेत कशी त्यांनी होरकात न्ही हे 550 इयर्स हातूंत आनी मॅनेज करून आयल्यान न्हू ते कितले कश्ट आसूं पुरो तावळे आतां म्हणजे कम्युनिकेशन ना, टेक्नॉलॉजी ना, आतां म्हणजे मॉनिटरी बेनिफीट आसच नाशिल्ले जाल्यार हे एक काडा भितर असल नमुन्याचे एक मठ दोन घेवन 550 इयर्स हातूंत तांणी कोरून आयल्यान ती ताजे रेकॉर्ड आसा म्हळ्यार आमी सक्सेशन प्लॅनिंग पुरा करतना लिडरशिपा सक्सेशन प्लॅन आमी करतना जनरली आमी 25 इयर्स सक्सेशन प्लॅनिंग करतात. नेक्स्ट 25 नंतर आनी कोण करता ती आमी थिंक करता ती. हांगा सक्सेशन प्लॅनिंग पळयल्यार 550 इयर्स. सो big learning is anything is possible. You need to be really long term. आमगे long term म्हळ्यार 25 इयर्स हांगा long term म्हळ्यार 550 इयर्स. So you need to think really long and money doesn't matter. हांगा येता म्हाका कळ्ळें money doesn't matter. The value system matters a lot.
You have always been a strong advocate of entrepreneurship. What do you think the traditions, our culture, and business? How do you think these three mix up to in shaping future leaders of our country?
हांगा पळयलें रे एंटरप्रिनरशिप क्लियर दिसता म्हळ्यार एक ऑर्गनायझेशन आतां कसं करता आहात तांणी इट्स नॉट एन इजी ऑर्गनायझेशन. एक इव्हेंट मॅनेजर ना पुरो तांणीची लिडर घेवन एक काही टायम तांणी चेक करून कट ऑफ डेट जावन घेवन आमकां पुरो स्वाम्यान एक वर्सा फुडें का सांगला 26, 27, 28 तुम्ही पर्तगाळींत वाचका म्हणून पर्सनल इन्विटेशन पुराणाक पेटयला आनी चंद करून पुराणाक रिसीव करून पुराणाक खुशेरी पुराणाक मीट करून एक ऑर्गनायझेशन स्किल्स कसं आसा पळय दॅट इज एंटरप्रिनरशिप. But in entrepreneurship, it is more we talk about the character, commitment, continuation. Same thing here. You have a great character, you have a great value system, you have great commitment, and there is a purpose. What they are doing, there is a purpose. Purpose is, I have got something from my elders, I'll give it to my youngsters. But this value system of Gokarn, Samsthan, Mutt should live forever and ever and ever. And I was told that he is the 24th pontiff. That means what 23 people have followed is following it and giving it to the 25th whenever the time comes. So to that extent, it's an amazing experience, very visionary at his age, that kind of a vision. is unthinkable. And getting the Prime Minister to this place is the biggest achievement. It's a very, very biggest achievement. And that's made me to think that the power of organization, power of organizing the things is amazing in his hands. Extremely happy.
Kamath ma'am, lastly, if you could offer one piece of advice to the youth of our Samaj, what would it be?
We need to create jobs. Just in Karnataka, we produce 21 lakh graduates every year, and 65% of them are girls today. Girls are overtaking men as far as education is concerned now. So we need to create jobs. We don't want them to get into Swiggy, Zomato kind of a job. We want them a good job wherein they can work hard, they can build their career, they can build their homes, they can have family, they can earn, spend, save, and do something good to their next generation. For that, we need a lot of job creators. This is my appeal to all the youngsters that don't look for a job. And startup is doing extremely well. Funding is available to most of the people who have great ideas. Go for some disruption in the businesses which are happening. And Bangalore is the place, South is the place. So work hard. Probably you will see something totally different. The satisfaction of creating job is much more than getting a job. So my suggestion and request to everyone is that become an entrepreneur. It's a hard job, but you can create something. People will remember you after you leave this world also. So look for that and work very hard. Become an entrepreneur. That is my suggestion to the youngsters.
Beautiful message. Thank you very much, Kamath ma'am, for joining us today. And we wish to see you for the entirety of the 11-day event. Thank you very much.